How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to gain 2 inches on your biceps, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So gaining inches on your biceps is not too difficult. I find most people that have issues gaining size on their arms, they really focus on the micro of how to actually do it. They're not really focused on the big picture, you guys. By far, the most important thing for getting big biceps is increasing your body weight. This is by far the most important tip that I can give you. If you see people that are 5'9", 130, 140, 150, and I get these emails all the time. I'll say I probably get at least 2 to 3 emails per day, either on my YouTube channel or my personal email, at least 2 to 3 emails per day on how to gain inches on your biceps. And what I have done is I've done lots of research, and I found a really good study, lots of studies actually, that for every 1 inch that you want to gain on your arms, you need to gain roughly 10 to 15 pounds of body weight. I found it's closer to 15 pounds, and it actually works pretty similar to how my biceps right now, 5'9", 190, that's what I am, about 17 and a half, 17 and a quarter, 17 and a half. When I get to 205, and again, I've been up to 210, 215, but when I get up to about 205, so that's 15 pounds, my biceps usually go from about 17 and a quarter to about 18 and a quarter. And again, 15 pounds. What I've also noticed is when I get a little bit more shredded, instead of going from 190 to 205, I go from 190 to 175. My 17 and a quarter biceps go to 16 and a quarter. So that's 15 pounds the other way. I lose an inch on my biceps, but my biceps get super shredded. So if you want to gain 2 inches on your biceps, let's say right now you're watching this video, you're 5'9", 150. You're going to need to get to about 5'9", 180 pounds. Obviously, you don't just want to do bicep exercises. You want to do a full body workout program. So everything should be trained equally. You should have lots of different exercises. You should be training the body parts. I recommend training everything twice a week. It's just better. My first 5 years of bodybuilding, though, I did a single body part split. That actually worked really nicely. But then for the last 7 years, I've been doing twice a week training, sometimes three times a week. I found higher frequency does work a little bit better. And yeah, you need to gain weight, you guys. You will never see someone 5'9", 130 pounds with 23-inch biceps. You will never see that, you guys. The guys that have the big biceps, they are usually pretty heavy in weight. Again, I'm only 5'9", and when I get up to 205, 210, my biceps are really big, you guys. I don't like to stay at that weight because I require a ton of calories to stay at that weight. Right now at 5'9", 190, I require about 4,500 calories a day to maintain my size. When I get up to about 205, it's about 5,500 to 6,000, and I just don't like eating that much food. It's actually a chore, you guys. And yeah, so if you want to gain, you got to eat. And that doesn't mean eating as many calories as me and gaining 30 pounds in a month. That is all going to be fat. You can only literally gain about, if you're a complete beginner, only about 2 pounds of muscle a month. That's if you do everything correctly, which most people do not even close. Expect 1 to 2 pounds, you guys. So if you can only gain 1 to 2 pounds of muscle, I would only bulk and try to gain that much in body weight. I wouldn't add 10 pounds of body weight in a month because 2 pounds is going to be muscle, 8 pounds is going to be fat. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.